Waste management. Now, the way in which we manage our industrial wastes has now become an important determinant of sustainable development. Even in small towns, we generate hundreds of tons of wastes every day. You understand? So these wastes include market wastes, hospital waste, kitchen waste, plastic, paper, metals, glass and all. Now, what is the importance of waste management? A proper waste management is needed for a few reasons. It helps in checking the environmental pollution. It helps in conserving the natural resources, and it helps in preventing the spread of infectious diseases through treatments of hazardous wastes. Now then, what are the methods of safe disposal of waste? First, we check collection of waste, segregation of waste, transfer of waste, processing of waste, and disposal of waste. Now, what do you mean by collection? Now, waste collection has to be done from specific blocks. In this case, the wastes are first dumped in large dustbins or containers which are kept at some particular locations in the city. The sweepers collect the wastes from marketplace or wherever it is, the dump wastes. Then some trucks come and collect these big containers. Then block collection. In this case, the waste collection vehicle moves through a definite route at some particular time of the day. When the workers make sounds, they whistles, and then the people come out of their respective houses and they have to put the wastes on the, hand over the waste to these people. Or if possible, had door-to-door collection. The waste collectors or sweepers knock on each door and collect the waste. Then it is curbside collection. The wastes are left outside the premises, tum rakh do in a container, and this is picked up by the passing waste collection. So this is the collection of waste. Next, we have segregation of waste. An important step is this segregation into biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes. The biodegradable waste like food crops, food scraps rather, vegetables, fruit peels, etc. And the non-biodegradable are glass, plastic, carry bags. They can be recycled. The hazardous just solid wastes are also to be segregated from non-hazardous solid wastes. Then they are to be transported. The transfer, it will be done. How it is done? The dumping of wastes on the vacant land pe jaake they will be dumped. The wastes, particularly the solid wastes, are dumped on a vacant land by the primary collectors. Then we have the direct transfer from, or we can also have from small containers to large containers. The wastes are first transferred from the small containers to a large secondary container. And when this secondary container also becomes full, then it is lifted away by some rolled trucks.